Yay, outfit check muna tayo before you going to the restaurant. And
For departure.
that is me. Hello everyone. I am so
Proceed
excited
to
to
our
go
work
eat.
platform.
And this is Brian, my boyfriend, and he is a big guy. And now he is showing his dance, that his talent.
Shake that booty, 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 booty. Oh, oh.
And now we are here. Actually, nakamotor lang kami dyan. And buti na nga lang hindi masyadong maulan, hindi rin masyadong mainit. Cloudy lang. And
You right?
now we are here. And to be honest, the place was very very nice. Malinis. Ewan ko ba,
Nililit ko.
gusto ko yung mga gantong lugar. Ano lang, parang konti lang yung tao. Menu, may calamansi drinks, mango shake, new Philly roll, chicken salmon crunch, masarap yan. Asian pork ribs kay Brian, pot chicken sa mine, curry katsu, that is mine also. And now we're enjoying the foods, and now Brian also eating his food. And di ko alam, pero mas type ko yung lugar na 'to, tahimik, hindi maingay. Ayoko ng maraming tao talaga. Gusto ko kasi yung kausap mo yung partner mo, 'di ba, yung nakikipagdaldalan ka, focus yung attention mo dun sa kanya lang. Vikings dito sa may SM City, Cebu. Actually, this is our second time. Yung una kasama namin yung friend ni Brian, and now we are enjoying na kami lang dalawa ni Brian. And yes, yung and alam nyo ba, if ever na balak nyo pumunta sa mga buffet kagaya ng Vikings, mga buffet na restaurant, kailangan talaga gutom kayo. Para sulit yung bayad, sulit yung kain, matitikman nyo lahat. Kasi nung time na rin yan, I think hindi ako masyado hindi ako masyadong gutom that time. And yan, gulay lang yung kinain ko. But yeah, it was, na-try ko naman din yung iba. Pero yun nga, kailangan talaga gutom ka. Empty yung stomach mo para sulit. Anyway, yun lang naman. Sana nag-enjoy kayo.
Two piece. You want? I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get this. You know this.
What's that?
Go. Let's make it hard.
Anything here?
I feed.
Want the noodles?
Yeah.
Yep.
I go. Ready? The
Another one,
Which one?
okay, so
Chicken liver.
I wanna have this one though. No, just put it in the bowl.
The bowl.
Yeah.
This way.
go back later. Okay, go back later. Good. It's good. What?
Either like
How much is it? Good lunch, right? I go one. And then one of that. I make it two. And then, yeah, over there. Yeah, yeah. One and then this one.